Then when I saw my name, yun na, umiyak na ako. Sabi ko, for all the years na experience ko, it paid off all my hard work.
Eduardo Rivera Regio, Lawrence C. Lasanque, and Jody Balantac are not ordinary bar exam passers. They are the embodiment of the motto plastered on grade school classroom walls. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Regio passed the bar on his 11th try. Lasanque and Balantac did it after 6 attempts. But what did it take to keep them going?
Naging dream ko yun kasi before, siyempre anak, mahirap lang ako. May mga na-encounter ka na, yung pag wala kang pera, kaya-kayanin ka ng ano, siyempre, hindi mo siya kayang labanan ng kung magkakasuhan man kayo. Tapos yung mga nagiging biktima ng injustices, yung mga tinatanggal sa trabaho na walang kalaban-laban dahil ordinaryong manggagawa lang. Kaya ako nag-take ng bar, gusto kong mag-practice. The first time that I took the bar is 1993. Pero at that time kasi, 1993 up to 2019, ano pa paper and parang handwritten pa Kaya medyo mahirap. Pero yung ang isa lang talaga mahirap kasi isang mata lang ang gamit ko lumalabas nung nag-take ako ng bar, tong kaliwa lang. Kasi itong kanan ko, medyo sira na rin ang cornea. In fact, March 9, 2019, na cornea transplant na rin to. Sabi ng doktor ko, yan ang kailangan mong ipaayos kasi yan yung talagang nakakabasa. Focus lang ako doon sa hindi ako tumanggap na ng maraming diba? Usually maraming lumalabas na yung materials. Naging selective lang ako.
For Lawrence Lasanque, his long journey to pass the 2025 bar exam is especially poignant because becoming a lawyer was a dream he and his mother, who worked in family law, once shared.
In 2015, my mother and I decided na pares kami mag-take ng bar. However, pares po kami, yung pinakamasakit pares kami hindi nag-make it. 2016, after I worked, I returned to the province just to check up on her. And I found out that her health condition is getting worse. When I was praying na magkaroon ako ng 10K, magte-take ako. Ayun na, pandemic na. Parang nawalan ako ng pag-asa. I was just praying na ma-extend lang yung buhay ng mother ko up to 99 years. I don't care kung I give up my dream of becoming and as long as she is alive. I just gave her medicine para sa surgery niya. I thought everything was okay. Utang ko ng pera, I used it to pay for my tuition fee sa refresher dito sa Manila. For me to take the 2023 bar exam. Luckily, there's a law office na nag-accept sa akin. And then when I got the result, inabangan ko din yun I got 73 and the passing rate was I think 75. Tapos, nung parang ayoko na mag-take, my friend encouraged me, mag-refresher ka ulit. Whether you take the bar exam in 2025 or 2026, importante, mag-ano ka ulit. I took a leap of faith. Then when I saw my name, yun na, umiyak na ako. Sabi ko, for all the years na experience ko, it paid off all my hard work.
A mother of 3 with a full-time job, Jody Balantac's plate was full all 6 times she took the bar exam. She took it all in stride, leaning heavily on her faith and her huge support group.
Papasok po ko 4 o'clock a.m. Gising na po. I prepare po for work. Tapos yung kids ko rin po pupunta. Yung kid ko napupunta ng school. And then after nun, papasok po ko ng work. During lunch break po, pinapayagan po kung magbasa. I am very blessed kasi ang aking mga bosses po talaga ay sobrang supportive din. So I enrolled online. And I had to attend po yung online classes 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. po nag-a-attend ako ng online classes. Gagawa ng quizzes, magma-mock bar, and then magbabasa ng paunti. I play with my kids after and then sleep. That's ganun na naman po kinabukasan. This year, I'm very lucky kasi nag-grant po ako ni Chief Justice ng study leave. So, na-allow po ako mag-study leave for 6 months. So, medyo magaan ng kaunti. Unlike nung 2024 na talagang no leave, talagang inilaban pero nabitin. It's really my dream to become a lawyer. Growing up, I saw my dad, he's also a lawyer. Talagang pinursigi ko po talaga na maabot din kung ano yung naabot niya. And also, I am working in the judiciary, so talaga pong kailangan ng law background, ng ganyan, para to help me na magampanan ko ang work ko ng tama at ayos. Staying is the most difficult part. Having to face yung after every failure, that's very difficult po. Pero I pray a lot. So, after every failure, nakikita ko po yung help din talaga. God send His angels para i-assist ako, i-help ako throughout my whole journey po.
It's for me to encourage a lot of people that no matter how difficult your life is, as long as it is in your heart that you are fitted to become a lawyer, you can do it.